Instagram loading highlight problem. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Instagram loading highlight problem. So let's see the step. For solving this problem, just go to Play Store. Now click on search bar and search for Instagram. From here, update your Instagram app if it available. Now go back to home screen. Long press on Instagram app. From here you can see I button. App info may appear here. Just click on I button or app info. Now scroll down, click on storage. Click on clear cache. Now go back. Click on force stop. Click on OK. Now go back to home screen. Normally restart your phone by pressing power button. After all these steps, I hope your problem solved successfully. If you found any help from this video, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.